Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use JSON data in React.js. First, understand that JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a simple, human-readable format for sending and receiving data. React applications frequently interact with APIs that return data in this format. We will cover the essential steps from fetching this data to effectively displaying it within your React components, making your applications dynamic and data-driven. To retrieve JSON data, we primarily use the built-in Fetch API. This involves making an asynchronous request to a data source, like a server endpoint. You will typically use async and await keywords to handle the promise returned by Fetch, ensuring your application waits for the data before processing it. Remember to include error handling, perhaps with a try-catch block, to manage network issues or invalid responses gracefully. Once you have successfully fetched your JSON data, the next step is to store it within your React component state. This allows your component to re-render automatically when the data becomes available. For displaying lists of items, you will often map over an array of JSON objects, rendering a distinct component for each item. Access individual data points using simple dot notation, like item, name, or item. Description to populate your UI. For robust applications, consider implementing data validation to ensure the incoming JSON matches your expected structure. When rendering lists, always provide a unique key prop to each list item. This helps React efficiently update the UI, especially with large datasets. While Fetch is powerful, libraries like Axios offer additional features such as automatic JSON parsing and request cancellation, which can simplify your data handling logic significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.